Hello kids! In English learning today, once again we are taking up one more page of A sound words, and that is reading off page number 17 of your textbook. One more time you are supposed to read the different family words that has different ending sounds. For example, add, ag, am, an, all, ap, are and at. So they will be added with articles because as they are single pictures, as you can observe it, so we will be adding articles along with these words, CVC words. So let's start to read. The first one family word is add family. So add, pad, pad. You are to pronounce this a as a. This as an article it is pronounced a pad. Next is ag, ag, bag, a bag. Am, am, jam, a jam. Only one bottle of jam, so we will say a jam. An, pan, a pan. Because it is single pan, so we will say a pan. All, double L, all. All, ball, a ball. Only one ball, a ball. App, app, cap, a cap. R, jar, a jar. At, cat, a cat. Only one cat, so we are saying a cat. So keep revising these words, keep reading every day.